Hey, welcome back to the Success Blueprints TV channel, and thank you for coming back. And if you are new to the channel, thank you for watching this video. Imagine waking up one day, checking your bank account, and seeing it completely drained. No income, no savings, nothing left. Zero, zilch. Ouch. This is the reality for thousands of people who think they're building passive income, but are actually making deadly mistakes that are keeping them broke. They think they're on the right track, but they're stuck in a cycle of financial quicksand. These are the people who are working just as hard as ever, but they're not getting ahead. In this video, I'm going to expose 7 passive income mistakes that could cost you everything. And trust me, mistake number 1 is the reason most people never escape the rat race. These are the mistakes that I've seen firsthand, and I'm telling you, they can be absolutely devastating. But don't worry, I'm also going to show you how to avoid them. Mistake number 7. Paralysis by analysis. This is the mistake that stops everything before it even begins. You watch videos like this one, you read all the books, you attend the webinars and seminars, and you tell yourself, I'll start next year. When interest rates go down, when the economy improves, when Mercury is no longer in retrograde, but you never actually do it. You can consume all the information in the world, but it won't make a difference if you don't take action. You can't make money from opportunities you never take. Think about it. What's the biggest regret of successful people? Not starting sooner. They wish they had pulled the trigger when the idea was fresh, when they had the energy and the drive. But you know what the biggest regret of broke people is? Never starting at all. They let fear, doubt, and procrastination hold them back, and they end up with nothing but what-ifs and could-have-beens. Don't let that be you. Take action today. Mistake number 6. Investing without a strategy. Okay, so you're ready to start investing. You've got some money saved up, and you're ready to put it to work. But here's the thing, you can't just throw money into stocks, crypto, or real estate and hope for the best. That's not investing, that's gambling. You need a plan. Most people don't have a plan. They chase the latest trends. They listen to their brother-in-law's hot stock tip. They buy high and sell low. But here's the truth. Wealth isn't built by guessing. It's built by strategy, patience, and smart risk management. You need to know what you're investing in, why you're investing in it, and how much risk you're willing to take. And you need to be patient. Don't expect to get rich quick. The real money is made by investing for the long term. Mistake number 5. Ignoring inflation. Here's something terrifying. If you have $10,000 sitting in a bank account, earning 0.01% interest, you're actually losing money every single day. Why? Inflation. It's like a silent thief in the night, slowly eroding the value of your hard-earned cash. Prices go up, but your money stays the same. That's why the wealthy don't keep their money in the bank. They invest in assets that outpace inflation: gold, real estate, stocks, and businesses. They understand that in order to maintain their purchasing power, their money needs to be working as hard as they are. They don't let inflation eat away at their wealth. They stay ahead of the curve by making smart investments that grow faster than the rate of inflation. Mistake number 4. Chasing get-rich quick schemes. We've all seen them. The ads that promise you'll make $5,000 a week working from home in your pajamas. The social media gurus peddling the latest crypto coin that's guaranteed to go to the moon. You see it, you get excited, you jump in, you spend your hard-earned money, and then, boom, it disappears. Scams, pyramid schemes, and risky investments have wiped out more people's savings than anything else. If someone promises you easy money overnight, run the other way. There's no such thing as a free lunch. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Remember, real wealth is built over time through smart work, smart decisions, and a little bit of luck. Mistake number 3. Not understanding taxes on passive income. You finally did it. You set up that side hustle. You invested in that rental property. You're generating passive income. You're feeling pretty good about yourself, right? But hold on a second. Before you go celebrating, there's something you need to know. The government is taking a big chunk of your earnings, unless you know how to legally minimize taxes. That's right. The taxman always gets his cut, and if you're not careful, he could be taking a much bigger bite out of your passive income than you're comfortable with. Not planning for tax deductions, capital gains, and business write-offs means you could be losing 40% or more of your earnings. That's why it's crucial to educate yourself on the tax implications of passive income and to work with a qualified tax professional who can help you keep more of what you earn. Mistake number 2. Thinking passive income is truly passive. Let's be real for a second. There is no such thing as 100% passive income. Even the best passive income sources, like real estate or dividend stocks, require management, maintenance, and monitoring. You can't just set it and forget it. You need to stay informed. You need to be prepared to handle unexpected expenses, and you need to be willing to adapt to changing market conditions. The moment you stop paying attention is the moment your income starts vanishing. Think of it like a garden. You can plant the seeds, but if you don't water them, fertilize them, and pull the weeds, they're not going to grow. Passive income is the same way. It requires some effort to maintain and grow. Mistake number 1. Relying on just one source of passive income. Most people set up one passive income stream and think they're set for life. Maybe it's dividends, rental income, or an online business. But what happens when that stream dries up? You lose your job, the stock market crashes, your business flops, your rental property sits vacant for months, and suddenly you're broke. That's why it's so important to diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different passive income opportunities. Find what works best for you and build multiple streams of income that can weather any storm. Remember, the more legs your stool has, the less likely it is to tip over. The financial freedom blueprint. So now you know the mistakes that keep people broke. You've seen the pitfalls, you understand the risks, and you're ready to start building real, sustainable wealth. But how do you actually achieve financial freedom? The kind where you never have to worry about money again? The kind of freedom that allows you to live life on your own terms, pursue your passions, and spend more time with the people you love? That's exactly what we're covering in Day 7. The Financial Freedom Blueprint. Never worry about money again. I'm going to show you how to create a personalized financial plan, how to identify the best passive income opportunities for your unique situation, and how to build a fortress of financial security that will last a lifetime. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and like the video so we can continue creating more insightful videos like this